In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix the "Are you sure you want to do this?" error in WordPress. The reason why WordPress is showing this unhelpful error message, "Are you sure you want to do this?" is because WordPress reports many different problems with the same message. You have to find out which problem is causing your error. In this video, I will explain the common causes of this error and the steps you can take to get your site working again. The first thing you can do is to deactivate all your plugins. In your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins. Click here to select all the plugins. Then click on this drop-down to select a bulk action and click on Deactivate. And then click on Apply. If you cannot access your WordPress dashboard, then you can deactivate your plugins using cPanel. We have a video explaining how to do it. I will link it down in the description below. After you have deactivated your plugins, check your site for the error. If it is gone, you may then reactivate the plugins individually and check for the error until you find the one responsible. The next method is to increase the PHP memory limit and WordPress max post size. To do this, you need to log into your cPanel account. Then click on File Manager. Since I am working on my subdomain, I will look for that folder. If you are working on your main domain, then open this folder called Public HTML. Double-click on the folder to open it. Here we have a file called .htaccess. Right-click on the file. You can download the file as a backup by clicking here. Then click on Edit. This pop-up is nothing but a reminder to back up your file. So click on Edit again. Copy this piece of code. I will link it in the description below. Then paste it here like this. Then click on Save Changes and close the file. Now go on to check if the error is fixed. In this method, we will check the theme for syntax error or incorrect file format. You need to first deactivate your current theme. So navigate to your WordPress files as we did in the previous method. Then look for the folder named WP Content. Double-click on that folder to open it. Here we have another folder named Themes. Open this folder. This folder contains all the installed themes on your website. You just have to rename your currently active themes folder to deactivate it. The only installed theme on my website is the 2020 theme. So to deactivate it, just right-click on the folder, then click on Rename, and rename the file here. You will be able to access the dashboard now, but there will be no active theme on your website. So to view your website, you can install the default theme and test if the error is fixed. If the error was caused by the theme, then it is possible that the uploaded theme has syntax errors in its source code or has an incorrect format. You can then upload a fresh copy of the theme to fix the error. Otherwise, if you have a custom theme or have made many customizations on your theme, you can have a developer check your theme and fix the error. You may request our service for this. The next fix we would recommend you is to replace the WordPress security keys known as salt with new ones. The reason for this is that the existing keys may have been compromised and no longer provide the necessary security. Navigate to your WordPress files as we did in the previous methods. Then look for the file named wp-config.php. Right-click on the file. Then click on Edit. Then you get a warning to back up this file before making any changes. After you have backed up your file, click on Edit. look for this part of the code. You can generate new sets of security keys by going to our blog post. And then clicking here. I will link it in the description below. When you click on the link, you will see a new set of security keys. Copy these keys and replace them with the ones in your wp-config file. Then save the changes and close the file. If none of these steps fixes the issue, then either your core files are corrupted or there may be a problem with your hosting service. So you can try contacting your host. This is how you can fix the error, "Are you sure you want to do this?" in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.